Jiggle jiggles, move this out of the way. Whole valve cover comes out. So the issue we're having is that bolt is broken inside there that we got to get out, which is going to be pretty fun, but we'll get it. I'm shocking the bolt. This hand ain't moving. Oh, she ain't moving, guys. We might have to go with a tiny guy. Get more turns on her. Oh, she bending. The little thicker one. And you're just trying to work this thing around if it breaks free. If not, we're gonna have to drill her out. Oh,
I saw some movement.
you see that movement now? All right, she broke a little free. Now we just need her to come out, man.
Is this always your first option before drilling?
Yeah, you always want to see if you could tap her out before you make the shavings in the engine.
Mm-hmm.
And you can't take this cradle out because this cradle is what holds the cams out. You'd have to take the whole timing, everything apart. Make a little dimple. Let me try a screwdriver. We might have some luck with that. Just trying to rotate it. Come on. Come on, get there. It's moving now. I'm happy that it's moving, but we loosened it, but now we just need to get it out. Maybe a left-handed drill bit. What I usually do when I'm working on an engine is sacrifice a rag, make a hole, pleasure yourself later. So then I just kind of make it like how doctors operate. Put her right there, and like, what if those shavings fall in? Well, you get some of those assembly go to catch the shavings. Love it. All over it. All right, now it's a sticky fucking mess. Because that'll catch any of the shavings that fall inward. And then you're just gonna clean up the area you're working on. Boom. Just kind of make a little hole. Bada bing, bada boom. That'll catch all the shavings that's gonna fall into the engine. Give you a little second chance. And then we're gonna use some left-handed drill bits and extractors to see if we can make a hole. This is surgery right here. Then we go left-handed, right? Yeah. All right. So you're gonna try to get it right in the middle. Oh, and that does happen. Whoop. Mission failed. We're just gonna scratch that idea because it's already working.
Need a magnet?
Oh no. You never want to do that, but luckily I saw where it went, but yeah, it's right there. If you look right through that cam, it's right in there.
Oh yeah, there she is.
There she blows.
Just a quick little magnet will get her fixed right up.
Yeah, but you want to make sure your magnet's clean.
Oh yeah.
Definitely.
Always wipe with your shirt.
Yeah, you know, for when you lean over, you get those metal shavings in your tummy.
Just doing a little midday fishing.
Yeah. Fishing in a VW motor, always fun.
What kind of fish you normally catch?
The big ones. Very, very hardened steel. Fucking.
Doesn't look like a big one.
So that's that.
Is that the only piece?
Yeah, that's that. Well, no, there's the other piece is still into the.
Oh yeah, it's still right there.
Oh, but if it's stuck. Oh no, it's not. I got it out. All right. So we have drilled a hole. Let's see if the extractor will get it. We break the extractor. Get out these a little bigger. All right, we were just pilot holing it. We meant to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Show you how to get it out of there.
Yeah, dude. Hey, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor.
Amen.
Amen to that. All right, let's not break this one. Oh, oh.
Oh, look at her. Look
Oh,
at her.
that's what victory looks like, boys. That's what victory looks like.